Hello. How are you people? Happy New Year. I know by the time you get this video, it will be already in the new year. But this video was about not to be made. I'm in Kabusu. I'm heading for somewhere where people, a vantage point where fireworks, we can see fireworks all over the city. So back to the story. I come here at around 10:30. I sit down and I say, let me get footage from this place here, where of course it's a roundabout or something like that, where there are a lot of taxis, a lot of border guys. The moment I reach there and I switch on the camera and there is no memory card. So what do? I go back. Yeah, I could also have said that today it has failed. Let me go and call it a dead thing. But you know, that's what we do with life. Hustles come and the problems come. We stand up and get up. So here I am, I'm busy walking. I'm putting on my ugliest shoes. The ugliest shoes. I don't know, when you grow up, your ugliest shoes are the most comfortable. It's a lesson I learned. When you ever find this couple, you look at them and you keep quiet and you ask yourself questions like, how did this happen? Me, I know that is a factor. People, when they reach home, you will be here laughing. People are very comfortable. Their hearts are at peace. So maybe that is a Peter theory. If you want more of these theories, you can subscribe. So let me hurry. And I go to my place where you'll see how fireworks happens over 31st as we transition to another year. Yeah, we have rotated around our sun. People may laugh at it, but well, how many did not make it? Some far much better, some far much worse. And wow, I will describe what I've seen the other side because I don't want to show you. Around here, a lot of bars, and with the bars come that other thread. Yeah, that other thread of when you feel cold, do I need to talk more? Yeah, let me continue. Whew, I'm even losing breath. But you people, what shocked you this year? What didn't you expect? Yeah, we are all hoping for better next year. Better this year, since by the time you watch the video, we shall be in the new year. We are hoping for the best. And here we go. People are in the bars, people are eating fish. There is a fish market around here, and it's your choice. The border guys make a killing during this period. People are moving here and there. Now you can imagine where you're going, there are people living, and where you're living, there are people coming. Oh, life is weird. There is this vantage point somebody showed me a few years back, and so this is where I go for my 31st to watch the fireworks. I don't know what the hype is all about. Either I like being in the excitement of people, because when you look at me, am I a person who would really jubilate over fireworks or something? But I wanted to show you, so we both benefit. The sweat. Beautiful. Sweating is healthy. When you see some sweat, you know you are healthy. With the harsh lighting of the darkness. It's almost coming to midnight, but the traffic is still on. It has been horrible in town, like the jams were of another level. Around here, I was talking to a border guy who brought me, and he was saying he was shocked when he stopped somewhere around here one day, and he thought he was stopping by a customer, and when he greets her, she replies well, and then she makes him an offer. Wow. I think he got shocked for himself. Oh, let me climb the hill. I know it's a known place, and most times there are a lot of people who also come to watch the spectacle. So I'm expecting the wows, the A's. Oh, run, 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 run. Let me see. More 30 minutes and we are into the new year. I hope you are expectant and hopeful like the way I am. Guys, regardless of how the year went, there's still hope. You have life, and that's the most important thing. At the moment, as long as you're breathing, just know there is more hope. You can be able to do whatever you plan. Whether things did not go through, you know that just like the way you go to bed and you have that hope that you'll wake up, it's the same way you should have the hope that things will get better, that hassle will go through, that application will go through. Have that hope. It's what keeps us alive and keeps us, still hustling, still struggling. You do some things and people, people are laughing, but for you inside, one day, just spark that little hope inside you and expect great things. People are in prayers now, others are in bars. No matter where, everywhere, everybody tries to find out a way to spend this. Others are sleeping. So, different people handle different things differently. You can imagine the still jam just going up. Somebody's shifting today. A new year, new house. Just when you think you have seen it all. Wow. There are people just so I'm climbing up the hill of Ruvaga and I'm going up to the cathedral. That's where the vantage point is. Last year there were trees and I expected them to be a little bit there, but I might show you also footage from a different location altogether, and you see how it is done in Kampala. We are usually not always left behind. We may lag behind in certain areas, but in areas like making a spectacle and having some fun, you can bet we are there. Oh, run a little. And there we go. Oh, here we go. I'm running away from the border guys. You can imagine the jam. the smell of beer around here is again. Wow. In Uganda, when jams hit, the routes are negotiable. Where the border leaves the road, hits the pavement, we expect you to understand and get out of their way. They are the ultimate dogs of the road. The only people higher than them are the people who gather trash and garbage. Now where there's one pass. Okay, I have to go back. Of course, there are prayers done here, but they end before midnight and allow people to go and do their things, whatever they desire to do. As I think it is done, and people are leaving. Now for us, we are going there to see our fireworks. Our moving person is here. Just when you think you've seen it all. Oh, this here. Okay, candles. And this is where we stand and we watch our fireworks. I will stand here and wait for it. Wow. If you can't recognize the voice, that is Father Musalu belting away one of his voice. Another here, and we are waiting now for the fireworks, and you can see in the distance. Somebody is sleeping in 2025. Hopefully the noise will wake him up. We are all waiting for that fateful time when it hits midnight. Wow. You can feel the hype in the air. So guys, that has been it for today. Welcome to 2025, and time to go. Wow. Somebody just set off crackers where we went. The people, the number of people is just because I think I've stopped for a moment. I'm heading home. This is the right time to leave before people become lonely on the roads and you pray to whoever is waiting for you. Anyway, happy 2025 to everybody.
Dako kusala wali eri ekyemma. Ewa. Wali eri emmotoka bwe ziri. Eri tosala bu. Nabali eri main wali eri. Abantu nga bazi. Akete kula ya.
Ndio anokayumba kana kali wasi.